We'll continue the Gnork. The Gnork acceptable. That's not right. Hello. So the bot, the bug that I'm gonna look at today is the short bots, which only happens on the main game. So probably will be a case of testing on main. I wonder if I could spoof it. Did I never get it? I think I got a time on this map. No cap. Oh, I did not. How long is it? 38 seconds. Okay, well, CD's bots. Oh look, they all have the same time. Huh. Isn't that fun? Huh. Yeah, I never ended up doing any synchronization across multiple players. The creator hates his community. So, why don't I go find out why there are short bots? Well, I remember why I quit this map. Okay, start server. That placement tag was such a good idea. Fix timer disappearing from spectating other players. Why did that start happening? I fixed that so long ago. It was like 2 weeks ago, 1 week ago or something. And then I just break it. I worked so hard to make it so that the Why is there no sound? To make it so that the timers would show up even if you joined after the player started running. Oh. Oh, is it because of the bug fix? Wouldn't it not be? Wouldn't it not be? Why is there no sound? Roblox moment. Alright, well, it's too hot. It's time to open up my apartment to the -3 degree cold because it's somehow too hot inside. There's literally snow everywhere. Well, there's a bug. Didn't get you, did I? I caught a fly in a cup. And I opened it up outside and he just sat there. He just like hunkered down on the piece of cardboard. He wanted to chill for a bit. So there's that doesn't make sense. That shouldn't happen. As with all bugs. Okay, what's a map? I think this one had a vault. Nice. And yeah, okay. So it says the file sizes here, and like if I join, it's not a real. Let's see if I can find it. Ugh, do I type out this entire number? Quaternions? Oh. Where's his style? I mean, it's got time ID, date, game, ID, map, date? Oh, that's map. Bro, it's cut off, bro. It's literally impossible to tell. I know how to do it. I just load it again. Oh, it doesn't print it. Awesome. That's sheeshed up. Doesn't make any sense. Is it for all the bots on this? No. So the reason the HUD wouldn't show up would be that the so you see it shows now. It's triggered by an event called a run event on the run timeline. There's 7 different timelines, and the run timeline is one of them. There's input, output, sound, camera, gravity, run, one more. I can do it. Settings, like FOV and stuff. Yeah. So basically, the run start event, like run prepare and run start events, don't get activated, don't get triggered because of how the replication works. The replication is told to ignore everything on the servers. It doesn't start sending you anything for the bots because it's trying to respect your hide thing. But then I also need to make it so that specific timelines work differently so that it doesn't like it's really complicated. It's really complicated. And that's that issue. And it used to work. Wait, well, not for bots. For players, it used to work. Spectate. For bots, also, it used to work because it wasn't coded with the full anti data transfer thing. I don't know you. Hi, cool game. Hi. Yes, very cool. Very cool game, yes. Okay. So, okay, so what would happen if the client received bot Okay, what if the client received bot playback? A wrong root time. Okay, so this is the root timer for the player. Yeah. But that isn't that fine when the map changes? Like it still happens when I go set the map. Right? Yeah. So that means it's probably not the root time. I can always check. So these are like coded as temporary because like that's the only thing I could think of to make it work in a timely manner. Didn't have any other ideas. But like it's not terrible to just have the args pass directly. No idea what's happening. Well, it's a good thing you don't need to know what's happening because you're not the one doing the programming. You can just sit back and enjoy my pain. The music. Enjoy the music. Is there going to be music? It's just silence right now. Okay. So maybe I'll print these. Let's look for this. Ugh. Client. Bot wiring. So, server says bot playback and it passes these values through. Is it though? Is it temporary? Is it really temporary? Hmm. So, what I'm thinking is that for some reason wouldn't that not happen though? I mean, actually, the file could be corrupted. but not in a way where the data is lost, just in a way where my fixed loading strategy doesn't work ever if it's so what I do with the bot is I have data blocks, numbered data blocks. There's block 1, block 2, etc. And so block 1 is state management, and it's a big block of state management, which is normally very small on the bot. Usually it only takes up one block. So the first block usually contains all of the state management data. So this is like the run timeline. So run prepare, run start, run finish. Even though those events are at the end of the bot, it collects them all. It collects a certain size. It creates a certain file size. The blocks are a fixed size. So the block could be smaller than this size, as long as there's not like 700 million different gravity changes and like you don't pause 17 times. Actually, pause events don't go onto the bot. Anyways, if you don't change your FOV 6 million times, then the first block contains pretty much all the data for the state update stuff. Well, let's look at the bot file. Bot file. It says right here, so offline and real time. Those are the two concepts. So offline, this is state updates. So like a moving platform moves somewhere else, or like the world is reset or something. Like the gravity changes, the run starts, the camera, you smash into a wall, you change your FOV. These are all like state updates where like you need to do every state update in sequence. You can't just jump ahead. Whereas the real-time labels represent the labels for timelines, which you could conceivably ignore all the past data and just look at the most recent frame and you're already up to date. You don't need to scan through all of the other data because it's not relevant to the current state. You don't need to run through everything to reconstruct the current state. Like sound, like you don't need to play all 600 sounds before now. Nobody cares. So that's how it's organized. There's I actually didn't get to the organization yet. So the block numbers. Block number 1 is offline events from those 5 timelines. Wait, there's 8 timelines? Which one did I miss? Camera. World. Oh, I didn't say world. Whoa. Right, so block 1, offline. Block 2 is the beginning of the file, like the very start of the real-time labels. Block 3 is the end of the file. It's the last real-time labels. And then block 4 just continues from the start of the file, and it's all in order after that. So I mix up the blocks like that so that loading the start of the file tells you how long the bot is, because you have the start and the end, and then you can do this right here, and grab the first event and the last event on the timeline, and you know the begin time and end time of the bot, and you can immediately know that, pass it to the client. But if the first block is not actually loaded for whatever reason, Wouldn't it like just work? Server. Is it real? To the power 20. So it reads the first 3 blocks. What if? Okay, I don't know. Okay, so how? There might be like 3 blocks total, 4 blocks total, or something. So this is decoding the bot for 3 blocks to get that full picture, and then it says I'm done. But then it also spawns an asynchronous job to decode whatever else it got. It's possible that these bots are like exactly 3 blocks. Because, oh, that's a good idea. Because, like, it happened with other 15-second bots, didn't it? Oh, let's print that. I'm going to print that. I do have a carrot. So how do I do this? Okay, so it's going through and checking. I mean, my get index after algorithm would be better here, but whatever. Could you make that fast? If you had a list of oh god, I forgot the math word. Always increasing integers that are somewhat sparse. So like maybe it's every 10,000 or 100,000 numbers, and you want to find the nearest one to a query integer or whatever, like basic, or like the one below it, the one above it, whatever. Can you make that fast without having to do like this? It doesn't really matter because it's gonna loop like 3 times maximum. Short bots. Are you a bot? Okay, so header cannot be longer than priming data. You what? Okay, so what we say, B index means B. I don't know what it means. Block position is the end. Or no, it's the start of the block, right? Does it start at 1? I don't know. I think it starts at 1. That would be my, because it says position and not end. So, oh, it doesn't start at 1 because there's the header. So the first one shows you where the first block is. Awesome. Right. Okay. So it is the start of the blocks. So B index means that the n priming data is the length of the priming data. If the priming data is longer than the block position, or if the end of the priming data is wait, what? Is this one block off? Oh, I see. -1. Lul. Okay, so what? Let's think. So if it includes the header in one block, what does that mean? That means that it goes to the same index as block position -1, and then B index is the number of blocks plus 1, right? 1, 2, -1, 2. Yes. So it assumes that there's a minimum of 3 blocks. Oh, it reads all of them? Oh, min. Oh, that's whack. Okay, so let's print B index. So it'll This is insane how this actually works. Okay, so if I print that, then I can see what happened. Yeah. Okay. Well, this is going on main. Yeah. Let's test on main. Publish to bhop main. It's just loading bots. It's just. Okay. Well, I mean, if I wrote an error, then that would be bad. But it wouldn't. It wouldn't. It would be bad. But we're just gonna ignore that. Oh shit. I sat there for too long. Okay, I'm gonna keep my coffee. It's not gonna play ball. Oh, is it actually trying? I don't know. Oh, it is. I did not expect that. Okay. I'm afraid of my cups breaking from microwaving hot coffee. It's still going. What the heck? Why is Roblox so fragile? All right, we're here. Ooh, I love how fast it loads. The bots. So like this is a 9-minute bot, and it was already there. If I go here, boom, loads, boom. Check the server logs. And it actually loaded a new range. So it is when I click on a spot in the bot, it is dynamically seeing that you need a section of the bot that's not downloaded from the oh, he missed that with the H. Rip. That is not downloaded from the storage, cloud storage, and it will download it. So like I click here, it goes click, and this says range header. Oh, it's not working. What? Why would it not work? It was working last week. This is so bad. Huh? Why did it suddenly download something? Okay, I'm gonna let this play. And see if it goes in that problem area again. I mean, it's downloading more now. Why was it not downloading when I was clicking? I don't think this is related to the short bot issue. I have no idea why it would do this. Okay, so it says that the block after priming index is 65, 66. So I do have that print. Let's go to caved in and see what those block indexes are. It says 13, 12, 11. Huh. That's not what I expected. Which one of you bots is more than 2 minutes? Why do some of them not have times? Oh. Shouldn't that not matter? Oh my god. Why is it falling apart? What did I do? So bad. I don't know. So I was wondering if it was a 3-block bot, but it's like 13. Why is it downloading more data? It must be the other bot. I installed Windows bloat free. That is a oxymoron. Oh my god, this feels so good. You're a moron. Sorry, I had to. You're an oxymoron. I don't get it. What did I do? What did I do? Oh, I'm good at the game. That is hard. Oh. That's so hard. Oh, you have to distance waste, but not that much. Otherwise, you're too far back. Why are the times missing? Does it doesn't. I'm not into this. God, I've heard this song 600 times. I forget what I was doing. Alright, I'm just gonna look at this. But it looks like there's nothing to look at. I mean, so using a tracker is one way. I can also set auto trim false. Which is better? I think so. This is where it sets the times. No, this is just data. Data handlers. There's multiple, right? There's data, and then there's the oh. Okay, well that'll work, and then I can get rid of this. Oh. And maybe that'll work better. What else does that? There's also the simulation wiring. So I'm doing that here. So playback data timelines, where you at? Playback data timelines, set auto trim false. And then I can not need to do this. And then this one as well. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna pretend. Okay, so what is it called? It's set auto trim false. False. Okay. Is that short? You have to be at least 0.4 seconds to be considered short if you're a bot. Less than 1 second. Okay, so tracker. I don't know. Maybe that made some kind of difference. Couldn't tell you. I don't know. Hello, I'm testing on main. Just kidding, I'm not. I am. I'm not. I need the bot. That's short. Short. I'm gonna print. I need to print. I guess I can print on the server, and it's the same numbers. Okay, I'm printing. Alright, we grab all three of these bad boys. That's not correct. And we go like... That is not correct. Boom. Like that. And we just print them out. Print them out. Print that out. And then a timer synchronization should set time root time. Why am I calling this like 3 times? Sure. Alright, print a little bit more information. But that's not it. This isn't it. That's not it. It's not what's happening because it happens when the map loads. So it has to do with the bot not being fully loaded. Why did that other issue happen? I thought I fixed everything. Very insane. Very insane. Oh my god. I wish I had nice tools to be able to bisect this issue. I could just go like, haha, find it, and then it would find it. It's not this. It's some sort of loading issue. Okay, I changed some stuff. Let's see what happens. I'm definitely testing this stuff on dev. Why is there 2 servers? There's no way to test it because there's no problems on dev. Isn't that crazy? There's no problems on dev. It all happens on the main game. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? Dude, I've fixed everything. And now it's all broken again. It's insane. I forget. Why did I do that? What are you doing? Why would I do that? How do they agree, man? Oh, I guess it's 3 people. Surf. Okay. Okay, are any of these bots broken? I expect not. Look, they're not broken. That's crazy. That's so weird. It's almost like it doesn't happen. So weird, bro. What did I do? I forget what I did. Worthless. Oh, I changed the, I deleted the, static trackers and, just set it to not auto trim. Let's see. Timer. Let's take a look. What is this? Playback. Control. Who made this? Control handlers. It's here, right? Timer, aux. So this just sets the style. Can I, oh, I see, it sets the data style. So it's a forwarding. So the data timeline has history. This doesn't need to, like, it doesn't really even need to exist. What the hell? Can I get rid of this? I remember I tried to get rid of it last time. So what is this doing? This is putting the style into the data. Like, is it not accessible anywhere else? Like, isn't it here? Can't I just... Oh, is there no... Oh, it doesn't come out of here. It doesn't go onto a timeline. It was running brick colors. Why would you do that? It's a test game. You can't, like, trust it. Isn't it already ran? Is there any difference from compiling to main than dev? I hope not. So, wait, oh. What the heck? So, it doesn't I want to get rid of this so bad. Okay, where was I on the thing? It was right here. Ugh. Oh, it's so janky. Why is there... Oh, get rid of it. Output control. What the yeah, that's right. That doesn't go to the playback context. It's like... Ugh. Ugh. So bad. So bad. Ugh. Okay. Wait, what? Okay. If you're on dev running brick colors, did you finish like all the... What the hell is going on here? Unanchored part, but like, really? Would it really be that? I guess you're right. What the heck? Is it doing the thing? Yeah. Why is it saying impossible case? This is just another problem. It's not supposed to happen. Prime input event. What does that mean? It means there's no event. On the simulation director input tracker's timeline. Does this jump backwards? I think it does not. Keep in. Let's try 2. Oh. Oh no, that's right there. Ah. Why would there be no input event? Simulation director output trackers. So this is the input to simulation. So when I call synchronized state, this is the game controls. Where's the time? Good lord. But except it prints this. So timeline is missing data, right? God, I have no idea, man. Tick number over tick rate. I wonder if I should have the simulation as ticks and then the physics as time. So there's a time translation between that as well. That would be another layer of complexity. Well, I don't know. I'm just like looking at 700 different problems at once. I would really like to get rid of the aux timeline, but I don't know how to do that, so I'm just gonna ignore it. Set auto trim instead of. And then this is What can I do to get better at Lua? Get better at Lua. But it's pretty much you just do it a lot. You just like make things and like you'll learn stuff. Practice. Yes, this is the old B-hop adage. Is this gonna fix anything? I don't know. B-hop are want new maps, but the surf leaderboards are still active. I saw someone say that. Okay, well, let's see what happens. Are you guys trying again? Like, this is a test game. Expect testing. We love Roblox. Alright, well. Cool. I didn't break the synchronization. Oh my god. God, the game feels amazing. Oh, I never actually wrote a message for that. Huh. Did I just hit the wall? What? Why was I better? 7 minutes ago, 7 seconds ago. Oh, how do I fix the bots? I need to test on main. That's how. Or I get the bot to load on the dev game. But it does it even? I don't know. Do I write code to do that? Why is there so many bots where that happened on main and 0 on dev? Shoot, just like I thought. I can't think. Regressions just make me so depressed. Like, I worked so hard to make that not happen, and then like a day later, boom, the bug is back, or like something else is wrong, and so all the times I don't. Does that make any difference? I don't know. Okay, let's test on main. What am I gonna? What I like? What I mean? What even am I going to find out? Nothing, because I mean, the problem could just magically fix itself, but that's of course unlikely. Well, I know what's gonna happen. It's gonna print that the start time and end time are very close together. Is that possible? No. Well, probably if you're 3 feet tall. If you're a short bot. XD. $14 are short bots caused by memory leaks. No. No. Okay, we go to private server. The memory leak, the effect it has is the server crashes after like a few hours. Oh, I should check the server list to see if there's servers that are like 10 hours old. Because like previously, the servers were like 2 hours max. But it's possible that me fixing the memory leak caused other other problems. Okay, server list. 3 hours. Okay, so there's 8-hour servers here. Cool. It's better. Okay, map caved in. The HUD loaded in. Did I just fix that? Very strange. Might have just fixed that bug. That would be nice. Okay. Okay, I don't know which one this is, so I'm just gonna load it again. Oh. Okay, it says begin time is 8:02, end time is 8:03. Wait. It's almost like that's 0.7 seconds. That's so weird, bro. Bro, that's so weird, bro. Why would that happen? If the data, if the blocks are not written in 1, 2, 3, I don't know. I don't know. So like you can see those ones are way longer, 298, 318. But like this, I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. Did I fix the spectate it bug by accident? I would be ecstatic about that. You can see it written all over my face. My bot. Huba. Have you seen the OpenAI chat? They can literally write working Lua scripts. That is black magic technology. It's a black box, mystery box. I am very ecstatic. Can you hear it in the sound of my voice? Who knew about the mouse free button? Why? I don't know why it's called C. I can't remember. And then I have a carrot. Like, what does that even mean? I'm gonna go to the end of the map and like look at the bots and be like, wow, those bots are busted. So it's it's oh. Like flies getting stuck on a fly paper. C equals crosshair. Cursor. It's cursor. That's gotta be it. Can I touch those? Ah! Touch. Yeah! Oh! My internet is bad. I can't even watch at 480p. I wonder if the YouTube version would be better. It might be lower bitrate at like 720p. I don't know, cause like it's VP9 better than H.364. If I mean, like, so corrupted files are like, if the files were created differently than other files, that could cause this problem, where it loads the first 3 blocks expecting run prepare, run start, and the beginning and end of the output timeline. But then it's not. That could cause it. Okay, so what's okay, so this is the last block. That's the last data block. So it doesn't write the first block? Huh? It's block number 3. So this code. Oh my god, I want that delicious thing again. So tasty. Why are there so many files open? So how could it miss? So it expects it to start at block 1. Which, like, yeah, okay. So reason, okay. I am losing it. I'm losing it. Bro, relax. Eesh. Bots are not being unloaded. That's a problem for another day. Right now I'm working on this. Okay. So it says blocks exist up to block number 13, and then it loads the first 3 blocks. So this smacks the bow in the what the hell is this? Oh, okay. This is how the bot fail is construct, but like it's. Okay, so if it manages to write 2 offline blocks, and then it writes block 3 is the last block, that would break the Does this assume I think it does. I think maybe you're right. Maybe the memory leak. Maybe there is so much. So what is this? Chooses the soonest, but B index. So B index. So this tells me what the soonest block is, or which data type, whether it's real time or offline, has the soonest information. So conceivably, if there is too much offline state data, it will make 2 state blocks, which would make it do what we see. So. Mm-hmm. This, yeah, no, this totally is implicit and assumes things. So how does this work? While true do. Okay. Why didn't I do this? So it does not force any particular format here. Interesting. So I could do it another way. So I could also have the first real-time block index. So it could detect it and then reorder it instead of forcing it. Fascinating. So I have a choice here. Either I can detect it and then reorder it after the fact, or I can force the block type by changing this variable, and it'll automatically write it in. Oh. Endless labels. What is that? Okay, so it's 1, 2. Um, um, so it's a Blick type. It's priming, I guess. But like if I do it like this, then I have to use the b index minus 1. Oh, I could also do this. B index plus 1. And then I do if Lily, then, and then else. Oh. Real. Ay. Yeah. So it basically I go like do I want to do this? Not really. Do I just hard code it? I like like right here, I could go like if b index equals 1, then li equals 1. Else if b index equals 2, then li equals 2. But I would also have to grab the b time like this. But then, like, I also don't need to run this algorithm, so. It's kind of cringe. Not gonna lie. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hoo, hee, hoo, hee, hoo, 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 hoo. Wow. This is like super cool. I really like this stuff. I don't have enums for these types, do we? Should I like rate enums? I guess. Uh, block type. Offline. Is it real? Okay, so what's going on? Is that the actual block types? Did I get it right? Yeah, okay. So some of these are index, and some of these are block types. So is there any other twos in the script? It's an index. Okay. Oh dear. Oh, that's all good, yeah. It's all good. Yeah. Okay. I mean, I could do it like that, but like, is cheating okay if you do it in the most convoluted way imaginable? What? What kind of logic is that? Okay, so first. Okay, so I'm gonna block type enums. Yes. Use it right here. Very good. And then So most of the time, it does. This is just what happens because the priming happens before the it just works. Like there's like the settings events and stuff, and they're before the beginning of the recording output timeline. So it just implicitly works, but this explicitly tells it to write its data like that in case there's some insane, I don't know. Really? Okay, so really I should decode the bots and inspect what's going on. But like this is fine, I think, cuz like even if the run events aren't there, they'll be there in like a couple blocks. Oh, well, depending on how insane it is, cuz like I mean, yeah, explicit is better. Let's publish this to dev, not main, and make sure bots continue to work. I think that's what's going on. Is the bot file is actually out of spec because of something insane. Either gravity, world, something spammed and is like taking up a ton of timeline. Just I don't have a time on this map. What the H? No way that's a trigger. Oh, it's not a trigger. I just hit a trigger. Okay. Ooh. Taking that speed cut. Just gotta hit it good. Ouch. The surf on this map? Yeah. B-hot maps shouldn't have surfs. Wait, is this dev? What does... Oh, this is dev. Oh, that's cringe. Ow! Is that... Yeah, 6. Okay, it's dev. Ah! I was like half decent. Fast! Fast! No! Oh, I made that. What the hell? Yeah, I have to go there. I just have to, like, not lose that speed. I have to be a surfer for a microsecond. And not do that. Why am I trying? I couldn't tell you. Why did I go to the side? That was so bad. Why does my arm hurt? Ooh! I just lost like 7 trillion speed. What the hell? But I got second place. Okay. I saved a bot. Correct? Let's load that bot. Let's get that bot. Ooh. Get that bot. Ooh. It saved. Let's go. I think Bit connect. I think that's the problem. I need to print out the types, the block types. How do I do that? How do I do that? Bot file right here. Block timelines. What does that mean? Okay. That's okay. I would have to like create a reverse index to print that out. But like that's the idea, is that it's convenient for this, but it's like nice indexing and stuff. Okay. Oh wow. Oh goodness. That's fancy. How fancy is that? Interesting. So instead of going through the recording by label and then indexing it into the offline tracker, if the label is an offline label. Interesting. I am just going through the labels. I guess I could reverse that later, but who did this? Okay, so block type I. Yeah, so this is what I want. This is the data that I want. Block type I. But that does not exist. I would have to construct that from the block timelines. So this is doing that backwards. This is constructing the block timelines from the block type list. But then right here, I don't need that data. Until now. I need to. I think that'll fix that problem, but only for new bots. I think that the bot files are actually out of spec. So they're not corrupted per se. They're just out of spec. Because of some insane problem. Possibly the memory leak. But like, not really. how to learn Lua script. I'll tell you the secret programming knowledge, and you'll instantly know how to do programming. That was it. Now you know how to program. That's the secret. Isn't that amazing? That's all you need to know. There's no, you don't have to go through like a year-long process of learning how to program, because now you know the secret knowledge, and I've revealed the secret to programming. There is no secret. It's just you do it. You try to learn for a long time. You write code. There's no secret. It's just practice. People act like there's some sort of secret that I can tell you in 5 seconds that you'll know how to program. There's not. It's an entirely new way of thinking. You have to rewire your brain to learn how to do programming. It's incredibly difficult, but I think that anyone can do it. You just have to want to do it and try. Takes a long time. It's a lot of effort, but you can do it. Practice. So I want to oh, what if I do it outside? Outside. Okay, so that's the self. Okay, so this function, yes. So why don't I do it right here? So I'll prime. That is called from here. Wow, wow, wow. And then equals nil. So I guess I'll do snazzy bits here. Okay, well, who does this? Bot failed to load. Bot failed to load. Bot failed to load. Well, that's nice. Isn't that nice? Okay, so right here, I'm going to do I have a cool people? I do. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna do some special print stuff. Special print stuff. Maybe I should make it out of, I don't know. I just don't want to like break everything. Yeah, I don't know. Print bot file indices bot URL handle dot bot file real. So I'll pass the bot file handle or class object, whatever, and then it'll be out, and I'll have like all right. So now I'm gonna make a new script. Here. What? Did I not copy that on my clipboard, man? Jeez. Okay. Let's return function. Bot file. So we go like. Where's the bot file? There it is. Oh, there's so many scripts, man. So many problems. Good lord. Okay. So what I gotta do, is create this information for the first 3 blocks. Do not want to listen to this. Block timelines. Okay. I don't know, man. Doesn't really matter. I need to go like for oh my god, what the heck? What happened? Hello? What was that? What just happened on my screen? What? Is the stream still going? Yes. Okay. It just went like, and then like, okay. So each event represents a block. So I go like event equals events I, and then I go block types event 2 label. Okay, and then I don't need to know like 1 or 2. Label is fine because I'm just gonna print it. And then I go for I equals 1 to 10, I guess. Do table.concat. I don't know. I don't know. I only need to know like the first couple. I don't know. Whatever. Whatever. I'll just print the whole thing. Doesn't matter. For nah. For I what the got? Okay, so got is actually close to 4. 4 got. Interesting. I've never seen that typo before. Block types. Cool. Okay, so now I print the block types. How fancy is that? Okay. Nobody cares. Okay, cool. I'm done. Publish to dev. And make a new server. And try it out. I guess that would break it, but it's okay. Guess I'll clear my dishes while I wait for Roblox. The old Roblox. Razzle dazzle. We got a little bit of cheese. Oh, my luscious hair volume. Okay. What's up? We do... What am I doing? I'm printing bot. Vote is in progress. Okay. Let's go to a map with bot. And then it prints bot. Wow. Oh, goodness. No, don't change the map. I'm trying to read these bots. Oh, look. Oh, it's a bot. Half sideways on alone. Okay, well, this is the first time I've ever seen this bug happen on dev. Fantastic. Okay. Go away. I'm testing. Okay, so this is exactly the problem that I thought it was. Okay, well, I discovered what the problem is. Cool. How long did that take? 2 hours. What's the problem exactly? The bots are out of spec because I only wrote the files with implicit expectations of the incoming data instead of explicitly writing the correct information. So I expected there to be not a lot of state information. I expected it to only write one offline block. But here you can see it's written 2 offline blocks, and it made the file go out of spec. So the third block is the end of the file. Because it writes that in. And then the fourth block is now the beginning of the file. Usually, I guess usually the second block is the beginning of the file. just implicitly because it only writes one offline block. But because there's two, so what causes the extra offline block? A lot of data. So I should be able to fix this by defining this. And then so if I preload 4 blocks, that should fix it for all the bots that are out of spec, or not all of them. If there's too many offline blocks, it'll break. But okay, so let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna write this down. Dev has a short bot bhop alone. Wait, is this alone? Yes. Half sideways. And scroll apparently. And this apparently. But auto hop working fine. Okay. I want to print a dump of the timeline just to see what the deal is. I'm a bit scared though because then I'm gonna have to fix it. First, let's see if this fixes it. My little fix here. This is very epic fixing right here. This is very epic. Okay, so I want to print the timeline contents now. Self.recording. Bot file class has recording. Okay. I can print that. Excuse me, here. Okay, and then so this is a done deal. It's only the first 4 blocks. And then why don't I I'll put can concat, whatever, I'll just concat it. Shut up. Don't care. Didn't ask. Okay. Now I want to print timeline dump of what the events are. I guess I'll just use serialize. I don't care. For label, no. I equals 1 number offline. Do label equals I timeline oh, you got that right. Okay. That should dump the timelines as well. So now I can see which timeline is problematic. I'm going to change the place description. Translate what? What? Roblox moment. Look at this. I just changed the place description, and this is here. Translate to original language. Okay, Roblox. Roblox moment. Okay. What do you think? All bots are working. The players are not working. Every single stream. Okay, so that fixes the bug. What does it say about the bots? Real time, real time, real time, real time. Offline, offline. Probably error. Does that exist? I don't think it exists, right? It only exists if you say it exists. Nope. Nope, it exists. So I printed this and then it freaking died. Okay, I guess I'll... Do I even have this? No. Very epic. Is it running that on the client? I don't know. What did I do? What did I do? I need to see the error message. Okay, what's map alone? Yes. Okay, let's see the server. What? Ooh, found light. Attempt index nil. That is very true. You are absolutely right. No doubts. That is all me. All on me. That is entirely on me. Thank you, error message. Looking ripe. Is that some sort of... Okay. Okay. So, basically... was good. Okay. That bot good. Okay, map. Alone. And then now we look at the console and it says, yes, this is what I wanted to see. Excellent. Okay. World events. 3 equals false. It's full of world events? Doing what? Does the world timeline not get 3? Number 3. Okay, so it's full. That's number 0. 3 0 3 0 2. Oh boy, so it's just full of world events. Okay. Clean. Whoa. Whoa. Dude, do I have this? Buggy bug. I found a buggy bug. Ay 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 ay. Ay 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 ay. Well, there's a bunch of bots with a bunch of world events in them. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Okay, what about the simulation wiring? That also has this. It is defined here. So why is it not? Because it's copying the entire timeline history and the timelines. So it was related to the memory leak. But like very tangentially. Yes. Okay. So it's because of the combination of bot timeline cleaning, this variable not being defined, plus the memory leak keeping all timeline history, and then the bots, when they start recording, they copy all timeline history, expecting it to be empty, or like to have like 2 events in it. I understand. Holy. Wow. Okay, the full picture has now become clear. Let's test this. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put this as temp. What's the module called? Can I please have this as text? Can you put it in writing? So it's right here. Cool. Oh man. So either of these fix the yeah, no, I have 3 separate fixes for the short bots now. I fixed the loading of the out of spec files. I fix this bot timeline cleaning that failed to trim the fluff from the world timeline when the memory leak was there and there was all those timeline events. And I have the normal memory leak fixed so that it doesn't happen in the first place. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. All right, so this wasn't the problem here. That's not the problem. This is something else. This prints every once in a while. So sheesh. Okay. I publish this. We test. We make sure works, and then we say this is a fix that fixes short bots, and we say, good job, Reese. You fixed another problem. Can I ask a question? That's a question. What if I say no? Then you've already asked a question, and then you've been rude. I can't believe you've done this. Don't ask to ask, just ask. Right. Wawad. Alright, I get a bot, and then I explode instantly and die. Wow. Okay, so the map I want to visit is Switch. I didn't hit a cool boost. Very sad. No, I did, but it was after. Okay. I got a bot. The bot saved. There's the bot. Wow, it's the bot. Map current. The bot is there. I look at the server stats. So this is what a normal bot is supposed to look like. It says offline, real time, blah, 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 blah. Real. So there's normally only one offline block because there's so little data. And look at how much data is there. It's okay, it's right here. It's like timeline dump world 1, 2, 3, 4 events is there. Gravity, there's 1 event. Run, there's run prepare, run start, run finish. Camera, didn't smack in any walls. Settings, that should be filled. Why isn't that filled? I wonder if it's okay if I'm fully default. I don't know. I am trying to get good at programming. Just keep trying. I forget it the next time I use it. What should I do? Use it more. Practice. Just practice. You're not going to learn programming in a week. It's going to take a very long time and a lot of effort, continued effort, but you can do it. You have to literally develop a new way of thinking. you have to rewire your brain. Obviously, that's hard, but it's not impossible. With continued effort, you can do it. You have to want it. Yeah. And doing things that you're interested in and not just like random exercises is a good bet. Like, I don't know, maybe you're into Minecraft mods and you're like, I want to make a Minecraft mod. That's kind of a big job, but like that sort of idea. Just think of something small and start there, and then keep imagining projects. That's just one way to do it, is to keep imagining projects for yourself. Okay. Let's go to Alone. Inspect the bots. Yeah, so this is the problem. Could not display entire 40,000 character message. Yeah, so this is the reason why there's 2 offline blocks, is because it reached like several kilobytes of data. I don't remember how big the blocks are. I think they're 2 to the power 20 bytes. Where's the number? Nope, 2 to the power 14. What is that? Let me open my $7,000 calculator. Nice. 16 kilobytes. Wow. Wow. Godly invincible internet. Why do you say that? Are you talking to me? Streaming on YouTube at 1440p as well. Yes. Look at this. This is let's see, how can I can go like this. Spectate this. There we go. Let's go. 250 megabits per second. So this is not streaming to YouTube or Twitch. This is streaming over a 2.5 gigabit connection that's directly to a streaming server. And then the streaming server takes this stream that's actually at 120 frames per second in 1440p, not to brag, and it transcodes it to 1080p 60 at 8 megabits for Twitch, and 1440p 60 at, I think, 40 megabits for YouTube, which is pitiful bitrate when we're dealing with 250. I would like to stream to YouTube at 80, but it drops like 1/3 of the stream, so I have to turn the bitrate down. It's very sad, really. I'm crying right now. And then I'm also recording the stream copy. So recording uses the stream encoder, 6 audio tracks. Streaming is actually using 6 audio tracks as well. So I have, where's the setting? Is the settings here? Yeah. So I got the audio streams mixed into different channels. I have the stream mix without audio for YouTube, because YouTube doesn't deserve music. I have my game audio on its own audio track, my microphone on its own audio track, voice over IP on its own audio track. So like if friends join the stream, and I have the music on its own audio track. So this is all recorded in pristine quality on separate audio tracks at obnoxious bit rates in obnoxiously high resolution in obnoxiously high frame rate. Whole stream is recorded at 120 frames per second, and then I transcode it to AV1 after the fact. Oh, check it out. You got to see this. You got to see this. So this is my VODs. This is a 14.5 terabyte hard drive. These are all my past streams that I have stored. In 1440p at 120 FPS. Why do you keep them all? Isn't it fun? Then it's just yesterday's stream. Where's that? Oh, this is actually transcoding right now, I think. I can't tell. I was listening for the server. So yesterday's stream was 86 gigabytes. It usually goes like 1/5 of the size. Yes. Oh, dude, my streaming setup has evolved beyond science. And I still want to go further. Like, the reason I'm not interested in buying a 4090 is because it doesn't have DisplayPort 2.0. I want to stream in 4K at 240 FPS. Cause like, wouldn't that be the most hilarious and fun thing ever? It doesn't support it at like with neither HDMI 2.1 nor DisplayPort 1.4 supports 4K 240 without compression. It bothers me a lot, and so I'm not gonna get a 4090 because it's not good at that specifically. The encoders, holy, I want it for the encoding, but I don't need it because Twitch doesn't support everyone, YouTube doesn't support everyone, and it's actually worse quality than the transcode. So, and OBS doesn't actually support streaming to multiple platforms natively. Like, technically there's plugins to do that, and like it would work on the 4090 because it has insane dual encoders, and I could like encode my local copy, the YouTube copy, and the Twitch copy on the same just without having a separate GPU. Like I have two GPUs working on my stream. There's like look at this. Look at this. So this is my PC, my desktop. This is encoding the stream at 120 frames per second in 1440p. And then how would I show this? Like this. Oh, maybe is it 8? I forget. Like this. Got Mr. 8, Mr. Special. Takes so long to log in. Make your own OBS fork that supports multiple platforms natively. I mean, there's plugins for it. I'm using my own OBS custom build to stream multiple audio tracks. That OBS can't do that. Okay, so yeah. So here's the streaming server. and it's decoding my 120 FPS stream coming into it, and then encoding 2 different streams, one for Twitch and one for YouTube, and sending them off. Yeah. Very nice, very nice. Okay. So I fixed it. I fixed the problems. Should I drop this? I mean, it was just to see what it looks like. I kind of want to see. I'll keep it for a second. I'm gonna publish to B-Hop, and then I'm going to game, do it, and then I'm gonna check to see if the see what the bot craziness is. All right, so I'm gonna check caved in and see if the bots have more than 2 offline blocks. In which case, I'll increase the preload again, because like it's free. Like unless it's like 40 blocks. Yo. Okay, so why don't I have a time, man? I want to play the game. Game is so fun. I don't want to test. I just want to play the game. Okay. Right. I was also going to test B-Hop's Switch. Hold up. Is that not... No, it's fine because it's not... Okay. Never mind. I was thinking about like when you change the world timer offset, maybe it would forget that event, but no, it does that every single time, so it's fine. Oh, yo. So now I look at the map caved in. And none of the bots loaded. What? Is this a different bug? Because, like, this happens sometimes. Where it just doesn't load bots. Where do you think it would be right now? I have no idea. Probably doing programming for someone else somewhere. Why? Oh, it is that. It is the other bug. That is incredibly annoying because now I can't test it. God damn it. I just want to make sure I didn't break the game, and the game is already broken in a different way. for unrelated reasons something that was already an issue, but only in this scenario. So bad. Man. Are you going to work this time? The answer is no. Bro, I just want to see the bots. Holy. Oh, it's like I was trying to debug this. It sends a signal to the database, and the database simply does not respond. And I don't really know how to debug it because like it just gets lost. Oh, that's right. Okay, so it never sends the signal. It calls the function but never sends. And then when I tried to debug it, it stopped happening because of some code path changing, I assume. Mein Gott. What about RTV? Hello? I literally just can't. What is this doing? Is it? Oh, it's playing old bots. Just want to test the changes. Oh my god. I just wanted to see the bots. Didn't happen to load any that have 2 offline, right? Of course not. No, why would it? It's right here. So it goes like request change maps, and then it goes and nothing happens. It never sends the request. So if I add debug to this request flag, it will be like, boom. Oh, you mean, oh, you wanted me to request? I'll send the request, okay? Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. You request debug. Oh, I'm debugging it now. Oh, I wonder what's going on. Oh, that's so strange that it's not working. That's so strange. Oh, I wonder why it's not working. Start server. Wait for Roblox. The obligatory 2-minute Roblox pause. How long has it been? 5:10. Oh god, it's been 30 minutes. Oh, why don't the bots work? Oh, it's actually gonna tell me? That'd be fantastic if it actually told me. Oh, it didn't. Awesome. Wow, that's fantastic. I'm so pleased. Wow. Did it break? Ooh, this is a totally different issue that I don't want to debug right now. I just want to load the bots. Oh, you know what I can do is this, right? Please load. Jesus. Okay. Hey. Oh, it didn't work. Okay. But we'll be able to see. It says offline, offline, real-time, offline. Okay, 5. I'm just going to set it to 5 and throw my hands up in the air. Like I just don't care. There is 32 kilobytes of garbage data in there. What if it needs to be 6? Then I'll set it to 6. Alright, that didn't do anything. 5. XD. Alright. Haha, let's test on main. Great idea. Start server. I forgot I could load bots. Okay, let's wait for Roblox. Wait for Roblox. Okay, now we're waiting for Roblox. Oh, dear. Everything happens all at once. Alright, this should do it. I should be able to... It should fix the bot thing. At least for this one. Now the bots are loading. Fantastic. Don't we love... Okay, auto hop. Ta-da! So I think that it happened on this map because of a lot of restarts. So with a lot of attempts, it was creating a bunch of garbage data. Cool. Okay. Okay, do I save this frickin' print bot file indices? It's useful code. Um Cool. All right, I'm gonna just save it as a separate branch. And then we go back to dev, we drop it. Get destroyed. And then that's our fix. Print less. Wow. Okay, so well now okay, announcement. Um, why would you put that in your song? Alright, I'm skipping this song. Roblox moment. Cool. Okay, so classic Roblox. Okay, so git bot. I'm gonna get a bot, and then I'm gonna publish the game and update it because it affects bot file writing. Wow. You got the world record. And I look at the bot, and the bot works. Server spams. Oh, it doesn't spam. I deleted the data. Cool. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Shoo. Okay. Is this dev? Yes. Okay. I guess I won't end the stream in case there's problems. Oh. Everyone wants my attention. I have like 3 backlogged tasks now. Okay, okay, it's 17:55. Are people still having the problem where they can't get times because of the Roblox clowning? I don't get times. Skill issue? Oh my god. Oh my god. You can just do that, but you don't get anywhere from it, so. Alright, it's been 2 minutes. No one added me. Alright. They're already updated. Okay. Alright, server errors. I forget what the print message is for that. Well, no errors. Okay. Well, there's the update for today. I didn't do the other two things, but that's okay. Ay, 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 ay. What? What did I just jump on? All right. Wow. Wow. Why does it keep saying that? All right. If I spectate someone, does the HUD always work? So far. What is this guy doing? He's just chilling. Why are 50% of the servers restricted? Another bug fixed. I'm I didn't expect this issue to go that direction. I thought it would be a loading issue and not the file is out of spec. But everything makes sense now. Like all of my insanity with like why are there short bots all makes sense. It was 3 separate bugs working together. Any of those 3 bugs, if they didn't happen, would not have had that issue. Cool. Well, I'll stream again tomorrow. Maybe I'll do what I have set out for tomorrow, which is map fixes. I'm stressed. There's 3 people that want my attention with different things. That stresses me out. And I gotta end the stream to do all 3 of them. Time sensitive. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream. Good job today. Wow. Very nice. Wow, that is so impressive. Very impressive. Impressive. Yeah, I'll stream again tomorrow. Maybe map fixes. Yeah, new maps. We should probably do that in like 2 weeks. We as in me. How are the surf leaderboards? I should probably not say anything. That doesn't mean the stream is ending. I gotta end the stream. I'm gonna play games and like sign documents and like pay people and stuff. All of the oh, I said there's more that I have to do too. Pay more people. Good Lord, all of my responsibilities are all coming together at this very moment. I never have to be responsible. It's making me stressed. But I fixed the bug. I fixed the bug yesterday, and I fixed the bug the day before that. I fix bugs. I'm a bug fixer. I fix the bugs. I cause the bugs to be no longer bugs and to be fixed. The game is getting better, and the problems are being solved. Slow and steady. Which is great. So yeah. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow for more programming action. Goodbye.